Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman and you are watching Aman the Cruise Traveler. Today you must be thinking where I am. I'm supposed to be traveling and making video in a different cities, but today we have a different plan. Today I want to show you my new toy, what I have bought for the shooting. Yes, मेरा नया खिलौना जो मैं यूज करूंगा अपनी शूटिंग्स के लिए जितने भी वीडियो आज के बाद आएंगे. So let's start unboxing this video and let's find out what I have bought. Let's start with the video now. Okay guys, so let's talk about what I have bought. This is my new toy, which is AMAN F7 drone. So we gonna, in this video, I gonna unbox this and I will show you the entire functionality of this product, which is AMAN F7 drone. I bought it online from Amazon. Now you would like to know कि how much it cost me. इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं वो भी बताऊंगा कि how much it cost me, and I will also show you the entire function, that how does it work and what else you can get out of this box which I bought online on Amazon. So सबसे पहले, this is how it comes. Now it has another box. This is, I think, because the outside box is because of the protection, but then you have this box. This is how it's look like. This is the another box, and in this box, now let's see what else you have inside. Inside there are some spare parts. We will check this later on. First let's try to find out. Then it has the user manual, it has the quick start guide and disclaimer and safety guidelines. ये सब इसके अंदर है. Or I think this is the main. Wow, the way it has been packed is absolutely amazing. Now let's try to open it. It's a ziplock. Okay, perfect. Another protection which is very nice, and this is the main case for the drone. So very good. It's nicely cased. It's made of fabric. It is not leather, but it is very good. And let's find out. Wow. Then it has this protection right here. Right in the top is protection, and this is the, oh wow, this is the actually remote control. This is the remote control. This is to hold the phone. You can actually hold your phone here like this. And these are how to control it. It's become handy when you have this in your hand. So this is how it works. And these are the antennas. These are two antennas. These are the keys, and these are more function. But before we start operating this, let me unbox the main drone so you can have a look, and then we're gonna slowly we're gonna start the whole thing, and we'll try to make it function today. And now this is the main drone. Oh my god, I want to make sure it's so sensitive because I don't want to break it anything. Wow. And this is the main drone. If you see this is the main drone. This is the main drone. So let's see what else it has. Actually, I ordered some spare batteries, so there is also 2 spare batteries along with this. I ordered these spare batteries because these batteries usually don't last long, so it's good to have 2 spare batteries, so in case if you need to fly the drone for a longer period of time, so you have spare battery in hand. Anyway, I want to put it back, but I want to talk about more about this beautiful piece. So this is the protection. This is the protection for the propeller. So you just need to remove it softly. So you remove this, and this is the propeller now. So how you gonna open the propeller? That's what we need to make sure that we do it in a very nicely and professional way. So this is the, this one has to go down actually. it has to come down like this. Perfect. And this one you open like this, but you have to do it very gently. So this is one. Same thing goes here. You have to put this down because this has to come from down, and you do it, and then this is how you open it. So this is how the drone look like by itself. This is the on and off button, and this is the battery I'm talking about. This battery can be taken out like this, and you can change the batteries and you can put it back. This is so the charging device, and the camera right here. Camera also have a protection, so you need to make sure that you remove this protection from the camera. Either the function will not work, this has to be removed. And after that, let's try to start it. Let's see. So this is the on and off button. When the on and, this will make sound like this. Now you see the whole thing is start operating. You can see the lights are beeping. Look at this. Now before we start the entire function, we need to have a app on the phone, because if you don't have a app on the phone, it's almost impossible to operate this product. So let's try to configure it with the phone first, so we know exactly how it's gonna work. But this is how it's supposed to work. These are the blade. Also, before we start, what we have received along with this is a spare propeller blade. These are the spare propeller blade in case if you damage it. It has the key as well, and it has few cables what you need for the charging and for the multiple functions. This is normal stuff which you get with every product. It also had some screw, so in case if you lose and you need to, if you damage your drone, so at least you can do it. So to start the whole function, as I said, let's start with downloading a app first, so you can actually check it, and then we're gonna check the entire functionality of the. So guys, to start the whole thing is important, then you need to download the app called AMAN app. It's right here. So let's start the whole thing.
Choose an open area clear of buildings and other obstacles.
It has a small video which will show you.
Green, then red, wait for pairing. Turn on the remote control. It takes about 40 seconds to pair with the drone. It's completed when the light is green. Connect the phone to drone's Wi-Fi.
It actually explains the whole procedure.
Push the left and right joystick to 1 and 11 o'clock position to calibrate the compass. Rotate the drone horizontally 2 times. You will hear D sounds. Then keep the camera facing to the sky and rotate it vertically 2 times. You will hear D sound. Place the drone on a level ground. Push the left and right joystick to 11 and 1 o'clock position to calibrate the gyroscope. It will search for GPS signal automatically. You will be ready to fly on the upper left corner of the app when completed. Push the left and right joystick to 5 and 7 o'clock position to unlock the motors. Push up the left joystick to take off. Tap the camera and the video button on the app to take pictures and videos. Adjust the lens angle with the remote control. You can also take pictures and record the videos by clicking the buttons on the remote control. The pictures and the videos will be stored on the app or SD card. Pull down and hold on the left stick till the motor stops. Unlock the motors. Tap the takeoff button on the app. Slide to confirm. Drone takes off. Tap the land button on the app. Slide to confirm. Drone lands. Unlock the motors again. Turn off the beginner mode on the app. Adjust the flight distance and altitude according to your demand, and then save it. The drone should fly higher than surrounding obstacles so that it can fly stably. With the left stick, you can control the drone to fly up and down, and turn left and right. With the right joystick, you can control the drone to fly forward, backward, left, and right. Click the auto return button to return the drone to takeoff position. Click again to stop returning. Click once, then long press the power button to turn off the remote control.
So this was the whole video. Now let's start doing exactly what it has been explained. So if you can see right here, this has to be removed, which we have done actually. So we start the next. So we have to unfold all this. So you can see these are the antennas, and this is the phone holder. So we have to do this. So now next, now we have to go to the app to connect it. So now let's go next, and we go to the, now we go directly on a screen now on the app. Now we have to skip this time. Now we have to configure it to make sure, and this is again, now this is connected, and everything is, and now we go straight to control. Now exactly we have to do the same thing what we have seen in the video. So I will hold it here and I will try to do it exactly, but again you have to do it while you are standing. See, it's gonna make sound, beep sound, and once it make beep sound, you have to hold it, and then you do it like this, and it's gonna make another beep sound. See, another beep sound. Now this has been configured. As you can see, now it is, the camera is working. You can see the quality of camera. The only thing what we need to do is to make this propeller operate, right? You can see camera is working. You can shoot from here actually you want. You can see the picture is already start taking. This is the function. You can put video if you want to have video, and you can actually have a look. This is how it goes, and you can actually make it very nice. So now let's try to make it function. It's in the GPS mode. So what we need to do is we just need to put this on, and this now is about to start. You have to have this on an altitude mode to make it fly. Now this is the one, this is supposed to be altitude mode. So guys, make sure you connect the phone on this right here on the holder, because it's important. The whole thing is important, because if anything is not done properly, you may gonna have a difficulty to let it fly. So maybe initially you're gonna find some difficulties, but don't lose the hope. You have to make it work, but it's important to have an open space. You see, you're gonna hear this sound. Once you hear this sound, that means it is ready for. Now this is the altitude mode. Need to make sure once the altitude mode is done, you just need to, after the configuration, to make the motor run, you have to wait for some time. You see, now it works. So this is, once you have the altitude mode is on, the motor will work. But if you change the altitude mode, now I cannot make it fly here, but once you understand the whole key function, this toy will go in the sky. This toy, it also has a mode to go automatically off in case if you are not flying in certain second. But this is how it works. So my next video, I'm gonna show you the real flight when I'm gonna take this toy in the sky, and the quality of video, I have seen couple of tutorials, is absolutely stunning. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, do subscribe, do share my channel, and let's try next time my video with this beautiful toy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.